Hi, Tentworld Canberra here. Today I'm demonstrating how to properly focus binoculars by performing diopter adjustment using the Barska 10x42s. By adjusting the central focus and diopter rings, you will see sharp, crisp images and reduce eye fatigue. First step is to bring your binoculars up to look through the left eyepiece with your left eye. Look at an object and rotate the central focus ring located here until you see a sharp image. The second step is then to look through the right eyepiece with your right eye at the same object and rotate the diopter adjustment ring located here until you see a sharp image. Thanks for watching.